Hello everyone, welcome to Sabre Virtual Demo, our brief videos explaining different features of Business Central and related products. In this episode we're going to look at the manufacturing overview of Business Central and the different modules available in Business Central for manufacturing.
So these are the four modules: assembly, production, jobs, and Printfizz. Depending on your mode of manufacturing will depend on which of those modules you want to use. So the assembly module is a very light assembly, kitting type of module that's good in some types of manufacturing, but not in all. The production module is more of a traditional manufacturing and can be used in almost any type of manufacturing except probably engineer to order and the print production, which we'll talk about completely separately. The jobs module, it tends to be more of a project manufacturing engineer to order type module, although sometimes configure to order businesses might use it. And then finally, for print production, Printfizz is very specifically the solution that should be used for that. Assemblies, as I mentioned, are very basic manufacturing, very kitting oriented, designed to have multi-level BOM structures, but not have any routings, and to be tightly integrated with sales orders, which is why they're good for some of those modes of manufacturing. Production is more of your classic manufacturing, your typical bills of material and routings with engineering control and version control. They support outside contracting, whereas assembly doesn't generally. And there are scheduling solutions available for production as well as our Sabre production add-on. Jobs module, we really consider a project manufacturing solution, and we focus on that mostly in engineer to order and true project manufacturing. The assembly, sub-assembly structure of the jobs is quite effective for that type of business, and the bills of material are very dynamic, so you can be changing the bill of material while you're still in process of manufacturing. You can collect any kind of source of cost. There's also add-ons, significant add-ons for this module, including our Sabre ETO add-on. Printfizz is a completely separate module that is an add-on for Business Central. It's available separately, that is designed for print manufacturing. It covers everything from estimating to print workflow, JDF integration, out-of-the-box Printergy integrations, docket, pre-press dockets and production dockets. It basically is designed specifically for the industry.
Thank you for watching this video. Please follow our channel by clicking here, or click here for the next great video. We look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.